Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Zep application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and here you should see the list of devices connected to your account, and you should see Amazfit GTR 4. Tap on it, then scroll down through this page, find the unpair button and tap on it. Here tap on unpair, tap on unpair, then tap on get it, close the application, open the settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth. You should see Amazfit GTR 4 on the list of my devices. Once you find it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device to confirm. And now we can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.